Hello and welcome to your one-stop bulletin for all your personal finance updates on your very own Money9. You're watching Money Time. I'm Shrestha Tiwari. Let's get rolling. Starting off with insights into the credit industry, according to a report by the Reserve Bank of India, the share of personal loan in the total credit sanctioned in the country has continuously increased in the last decade. Among different types of personal loans, portion of small ticket loans is continuously rising. The share of loans of ticket size of up to 1 crore rupees has jumped to 48% in March 2022, whereas the share of loans of large ticket size have fallen to 40% in the last 5 years. The report further mentioned that share of loans sanctioned by the public sector banks has fallen from 74% to 54% over the last decade. Remember the tragic Cyrus Mystery car crash accident? Well, post which the government was all set to ramp up car safety measures in India. Well, looks like the government has postponed mandatory implementation of 6 airbags in 8-seater cars or vehicles to October 1st, 2023. Earlier, Road Transport Minister and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari had made it mandatory for 8-seater vehicles to have 6 airbags starting this year. But Gadkari has tweeted that considering global shortage of airbags, the government has postponed the decision by 1 more year. Shifting focus to logistics mutual fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund has launched a transportation and logistics fund. The open-ended equity scheme would invest in 3 industries. These sectors are OEMs, auto ancillaries and logistics. And the fund house said that the scheme may invest in stocks that form a part of Nifty Transportation and Logistics TRI. The scheme may follow a buy and hold approach. An investment horizon of minimum 5 years is recommended. The NFO will open on October 6th and close on October 20th, 2022. And another update on gas prices. Media reports indicate that CNG prices may further increase by a minimum of 12 rupees per kg. The government is slated to revise natural gas prices on September 30th as CNG and PNG prices are dependent on natural gas price in the country. But there are also reports that government may defer hiking prices as the economy is already crippled with higher inflation, or prices may be raised in a staggered manner. Eating hot chapatis might cost you dearly as the price of one of the major staple food in the country is pinching the common man quite sharply these days, because according to media reports, price of wheat in wholesale market has increased by 70 to 80 rupees per quintal in the last fortnight. Wholesale price of wheat has risen to around 2,450 rupees per quintal. According to the Consumer Affairs Ministry, the average retail price of wheat has risen by 5 rupees per kg to 31 rupees per kg in the last 1 year. Next up, news from real estate sector. According to a report by Prop Tiger, sale of properties have risen to more than 83,000 units in the third quarter of the current financial year. During the same period last year, more than 55,000 units were sold in the country. Overall sale of residential units in the September quarter have surpassed the pre-COVID levels. Despite of increase in interest rates, the demand for housing has not dipped. Staying with real estate, the West Bengal government has extended 2% rebate on stamp duty in the state till March 2023. The West Bengal government will also continue to give 10% rebate in circle rates. The state government has been giving rebates on properties since last year. Sushil Mota, who is the president of CREDAI West Bengal, has said that the rebates will prosper sale of the properties in the state. Let's take a look at what's brewing in the markets. Asset management company CLSA has said that technical charts of India's equity market and bond market suggests that equity benchmark Nifty50 could correct 30% from current levels. The global financial major has said that the domestic equity benchmarks were trading at premium valuation as compared to that of its peers. Nifty's PE ratio has reached such high levels that CLSA does not foresee any positive returns. On Thursday, Nifty again closed in red to settle below 16,900 points. Now imagine you're in Bangalore but you're craving for your favorite dish from your favorite restaurant in Mysore. What if I told you that you can now order food from a different city? Well, restaurant aggregator platform Zomato has made it possible, saying that it will launch intercity food delivering service to multiple cities in the coming months. Zomato delivers food from one city to another, and this service is known as Intercity Legend Service. The food delivering platform delivers a cuisines of Hotel Shadab, Meethe Mia and Mandi at 36 from Hyderabad, Rasagullas from West Bengal, Arsalan's Chicken Biryani from Kolkata, and many more famous restaurants in different parts of the country. Those were the top 9 majors on today's Money Time. But hey, weekend's almost here, and so is the time for weekend shows on tax, corporate and more, exclusively available on Money9's OTT app. So before you miss out on any of your personal finance updates, go ahead and download it from your Google Play Store and App Store. And like always, keep watching Money9.